All right, Ava, so we're gonna make quick and easy pizza dough. This is the pizza dough that we learned in Italy. It's very quick. Right now we're gonna use, look at the simple ingredients. Flour, now water. I like to put a little bit of whole wheat, just some whole wheat. You don't have to put whole wheat. I like to put a little bit of whole wheat for color. Salt, olive oil. Look at that beautiful looking olive oil. Olive oil. Did I say water already, Eva?
Yeah.
And water. So, and salt. It's gonna be quick. So, like, this is what we learned in Italy. So you get, this is a cup here. So let's say about 150 to 200 grams of flour. So all you need is a little bit of olive oil. So here's about 150 grams of flour, a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of salt. See, a little piece of yeast. That's it. Now, if you don't have fresh yeast, use a little bit more dry yeast. That's it, like this. Then you put a little bit of water in the middle, like that, and then you work it in. Work it in. Work it in. So I'm gonna put a little bit of whole wheat because I love whole wheat flour. Just a little bit. I think it adds color. I love the whole wheat. You know, it's like when you're making pasta, right? So you just work it in, work it in, work it in. Okay? Look how easy it is. Okay? Work it in. Work it in. You do it at home. It's a lot of fun, you know? You get it with the kids. See? Now, a little bit more water. Messy, but fun. Okay, so now, recap. A little bit of, so you put the flour like as if it's pasta. You know, you make a hole. So you got the little bit of flour. You put salt. You put the olive oil. You put your water, and then you work it. So you work it. Now the trick is let it rest. Let it rest, and then you come back. Okay? So there we go. Now you're feeling it. That's it. There you go. Okay, so it's rested. I let it rest for a few minutes. Now I'm gonna just work it, like literally a few minutes, nothing too crazy. Okay. That's it. Look how beautiful it looks, Eva. I maybe put a little bit too much olive oil at the beginning, so it ran everywhere, but that's okay. You just scoop everything up. It's fun, you know what I mean? It's a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. You're gonna get a bowl like this, Eva. You got the bowl? Mm-hmm. Okay. You're gonna put a little bit of olive oil, like this. A little bit of olive oil. Oh my God, what is going on with me? All right. Okay. You get the gist of it. So now this. Oh, it really looks good. That's perfect. It feels great. Oh my God, it feels good. All right, Eva. So we're gonna put this dough. You put it in here like this. Okay. We're gonna saran wrap it. It was a little bit more messier than I wanted it to be, but you know what? It's still fun. Now this is the trick, Eva. By the way, we're gonna bake this. I got the pepperoni stuff, so tomorrow we're gonna bake it. So this has to go in the fridge, 24 hours. Now, a lot of places in Italy say 24 hours. I like to even leave it for 2 days if you can, but 24 hours is the minimum. We're gonna put this in the fridge, 24 hours, and tomorrow we're gonna come back. It's 2:39. We'll see you at 2:39 tomorrow, Eva. It looks beautiful, and we're gonna bake it. Okay, so we had our dough rest for 24 hours. Actually, it's been a little bit more than 24 hours. And this is what it's going to look like. So it's sitting in your fridge. It's well rested. Okay, we're going to take it out. That's what it looks like. There it is. Isn't it beautiful? So now, don't forget. Salt, Yeast, if you're going to use dry yeast, put a little bit more than I put. Salt, yeast, flour, water, oil, and that's it. Now we're going to stretch out this pizza. Look how easy it stretches out. No, I don't need flour, I don't need nothing. I'm just putting a little bit of flour so that way it doesn't stick, okay? A little bit of flour on our shovel. There. Should be fine. Okay. Perfect. So the oven I have it set at 500. It's the highest this oven will go. If it could go any higher, I would. In Italy, they had the oven at 700. So we're gonna see. Again, you try the dough recipe. You can add, you know, more salt, less salt. Don't put whole wheat. Put whole wheat. Use 000. Use baker's flour. And then let us know how it comes out. But it's so simple. At first, okay, I let it go crazy. I let it run everywhere. That's because I put way too much oil and not enough water. But you can understand the gist of it. Just fold, 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 and there it is. Okay, I'm gonna make sure it's not stuck to the pan. In Italy, the lady used a scraper like that. Isn't that cool? Right in the stone, Eva. Here's our stone. You got it?
Yep.
There you go. Right on it. Let's see how it comes out. So, we want to recap. What do we put? Flour, olive oil, water, salt, yeast. 5 ingredients. That's it. You have to work it with your hands a little bit. And you know, it's fun for everybody. You can have all the kids line up. You have your nephews and nieces come over. They get their hands all dirty. They enjoy it. Well, actually, then it's got to sit in the fridge for 24 hours. But hey, listen, if they have a sleepover, it's good. The next day you can do it. So put it in a bowl, a little bit of oil. Don't go put as much as I did. Saran wrap it, put it in the fridge, 24 hours. If you want to do even a little bit longer, nothing wrong with it. And now we're going to see how good it is. I think it's going to be fantastic. It's quick, easy, and you have fun making it. Simple, easy. Pizza dough recipe, real authentic Italian style pizza recipe. We got this straight from Sorrento, a Napoli style pizzeria. So I hope you enjoy it, hope you try it out. And if you do, let us know in the comment section below. Tell us how your pizza came out. In the meantime, can't wait for this pizza. All right, so let's check out this pizza. There it is. You like it like that, or you want it more baked?
No, it's good.
Okay, look how perfect and beautiful that. Do you see how perfect it is? I'll shove it there so you can see it. I love it. Look at that crust. Okay, so if you want to bake it more, obviously you can bake it more, right? Like people, like me and mommy would probably bake it more. So this is our new pizza cutter. We're gonna unveil it for the first time. I have no idea what this top thing does. Okay, I have no idea. What is this? I have no idea. It's in case someone breaks into your pizzeria. Okay, so here we go. Listen to that. Isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
It's simple, easy. You want me to cut it again, or that's enough? That's enough, eh? Well, I want you to have it too. All right, so we're gonna try it. There you go. It's the simplest of simple pizza dough, but look how beautiful it comes out. Give it a try. Okay, we're gonna eat it now, Eva. Yeah. Okay, there's our beautiful pizza. Simple pizza dough recipe. Give it a try. Very quick and easy. Don't be discouraged. You know, you gotta put the little, make it like pasta with a little hole in the middle. Put your oil and water. Don't put as much oil as I did. That was, I mean, look, it still came out good though. It came out good. Now let's try it. Maybe it tastes like, no, it's gonna taste beautiful. Let's try it. Mmm. Of course, I'm gonna say it's delicious, but it's delicious. Wow. There you go. Simple and quick, easy pizza dough recipe. I hope you give it a try. Beautiful. Thanks for watching, everybody. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment below. And let us know if you tried the dough recipe. Don't be discouraged by the little effort. You can do it. Thanks for watching, everybody.